Hi all, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss about the stock price prediction of Reliance Industries for November and December 2021 using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. So first we will see fundamental analysis of Reliance. Then we will see what is our machine learning algorithm predict for next few weeks or few months. Then we will do the manual analysis of Reliance using some charts and indicators and OA and FA and DAA data. So I think as we know, Reliance is the largest private enterprise in India with more than 15 lakh crore market capital, and its current price is around 2,470, and its all-time high was 2,750, and its stock PE is 30, which is a very good one, and it used to give a very good dividend over the years. And Reliance is it's have a presence in almost all segments in India, oil and gas, retail, telecom, etc. So these are the quarterly results of Reliance. So we can see its sales is keep on improving over the quarters, and even profit before and after tax is also very good one, and keep on improving over the quarters, and earnings per share also is keep on improving. So this is the per year we can see sales also keep on improving, and operating profit also good one, and profit before and after tax is also good, and Reliance used to give a very good dividend over past so many years. So this is the data we have taken into the algorithm. We have taken the data from 2014 Jan 1st onwards, and we have taken data till 2021 November 18th. So we can see before the Reliance split between Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani, and before Jio launch and all, it was almost flat. There was no much movement, and during their family issue there was a drop. And after Jio is launched, and Reliance came to another industries, and from that point onwards, Reliance have a very good growth. So Reliance is a safe bet for long term as well as short term. And for past 1 year, Reliance has reduced their debt very considerably, reduced their debt, and this is what our algorithm is predicted. So as per algorithm, Reliance may take a support at this particular point, maybe around 2400 or 2370. From there, algorithm is expecting some reversal. So either we can enter, say, traders can enter at this particular point, or they can wait for 2 more weeks. So we will do another video on Reliance. So because there might be a chance it may do some more correction, or risk traders can enter here, and they can set their first target as 2800, and next target can set as 2900 or 2950 or 3000. So this is the what algorithm predicted. So this particular high, previous high, might be act as a support zone. So we can enter on around this point. So here also we can see a support. So on around to 2370 or 2400 we can enter, and then we can set a target as 2800 as a first target. We can book a partial profit on and around here 2750 or 2800, and second target we can set around 2900, 950 or 3000. So this is the daily candlestick chart we have taken from Chartlink. So we can see Reliance is getting a support either 21 moving average, or if that is broken, it is coming along 50 moving average. And we can observe when Reliance stock price is close above its 10 moving average, or 10 and 20 moving average closed above 50 moving average, there is a very good rally is happening. So currently we can see like a 10 moving average is below 20 moving average, and it is particular 20 moving average may come down below 50 moving average. So either we can enter here, or as a safe we can wait for a few more weeks, and the Reliance may come a pattern like this, and when 20 moving average is close to 50 moving average, and stock price is above 10 moving average, we can enter, and we can set a target to 2800, 2950, or 3000. So this is a weekly chart. So we can see like whenever Reliance price is closed above price is closing its two previous week highs, then there is a very good rally is happening. So similar stuff we can expect here. So currently it is below this line, so there might be some more correction may happen, and it may come down to this line. So whenever 20 moving average is closed above 50 moving average, that time we can enter, or currently previous 2 weeks high is around 2600. So safe traders can enter that time, or risk traders can enter this particular point. This resistance may act as a support in this particular range, like 2400 or 2370. There we can enter, and set 2800 as a first target, and 2950 or 3000 as a second target. And currently Reliance partly payment settlement process is going on, so we are expecting like after that the settlement is done, there might be some movement. So till that time we can wait. So we will do another video maybe after 2 weeks. So this is a Nifty OA data we have taken from Opstra for 18th November 2021. So we can see like there are some resistance around 18,000, 18,250 and all in Nifty, and put option sell is somewhat weaker than call option sell. So we are expecting some consolidation in Nifty in next week. So by month expiry 25th November also we can see the put option sell is much somewhat lesser, and there are some resistance around 18,000 and 18,250, 18,500. So as Nifty is closed 18,000 resistance, we can expect some better rally. And this is Reliance OIA data we took from Opstra for 25th November expiry. So we can see there is some resistance around 2500. So it is safe to enter above this 2500, or we can wait for 2 more weeks and see an exact trend, and then we can enter. So this is FIA and DIA net sell we have taken from Opstra. So we can see there was a huge sell in October, but in November things has been improved, and there is a buy as well in November, and in November 18th there was somewhat huge sell happened compared to previous days in November, but this might be due to option close on 18th. This might happen, so we can wait for next week and see how Nifty is progressing. And this is FANDA data for monthly. So we can see like after Nifty touched its all-time high as 18,600, there was a huge sell happened in October, and in November it is look like almost neutral. So next week as Nifty is closed 18,000, we are expecting some better movements in Nifty. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any recommendations to analyze any stocks, please put in comments. So thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.